Yes, thank you, Peter. Peter, if you ever want to return to law enforcement, give me a shout. I could use you as a secret weapon against gangs. You know, I'm laughing so hard they forget what they were fighting about. Folks, we do have one more speaker to get through before lunch. This is a word from one of our sponsors. Will you please help me welcome from Leica Systems, Mr. Frank Cavazzo.
5 minutes, guys. Come on. And I'll be very close to you. So I'm going to run a video. It's, you know, pictures worth 1,000 words. I think the video is 1,000,000 words. What I'm going to represent is a laser scanner. It's a measurement tool that you put in front of a room. You press a few buttons and it captures existing conditions forever. So if you press play. Okay, so this helps me explain it a lot faster. So it's got a laser and it's got a built-in camera. It shoots a beam. This unit is 50,000 points per second. You can see that is a point cloud. So you can measure any point, millimeter accuracy, anything to anything. So it measures evidence, it measures distances, walls. Okay, so you can see there's a measurement. This is a mock crime scene. This is, you know, just measurements in 3D. You can also establish witness viewpoints. You can create, this is a fly-through created with the software of a mock crime scene in Costa Rica. They've heavily been using this. Now I'm going to step away from the stage and just open up a point cloud so you can see what the software does. This will just take a few minutes and we'll have some lunch. This was captured in 15 minutes. If I zoom in to any point, okay, it's just pixelated. There are millions and millions of points. I can select 2 of them. Get a distance measurement. So that's 0.1 meters. Those are all settings. You can set it to 10 centimeters, to millimeters. And this was just a mock. This was during a training course. This was a mock accident. So one car, there's the other car there. Okay, so this works in daylight. At nighttime, if you're working at night, it's going to look something like this: grayscale or intensity mapping. Okay, so this technology is for quick crime scene processing. You can see I can take any measurement, say from this window to this curve right here. It's 25 meters. I'm going to open up a point cloud. And this database consists of 3 setups. One here, one here, one here. So you can see all that it's not picking up is about a 1 meter radius. This was 45 minutes, and you can see how far we were able to laser scan. Okay, so I'm going to do one last quick demonstration. Say, for instance, there's a witness at this house right here that says she saw an accident or a crime scene or something. You can measure. Here, say from this window to where the accident took place. So 16.5 meters, and you can also put a quick witness viewpoint right there. Say Miss McGillicuddy says that, yes, I saw everything. I was right here watching TV and I heard the crash. I'm going to just pick one point right here and put a camera to where she was looking. Right here, insert camera. And I'm just going to say a height of 0.25 meters. That was her eyesight. Click in there, and now we're looking obstructions, if there was any brushes or trees in the way. Sure enough, she had a pretty clear line of sight. There's a lot more that this technology does. This is just a few of the examples. I can take snapshots. While I take a snapshot, but what it does is it saves the scene forever, right? The conditions forever. So you can take the scene from the office from the field into the office. Just close this out. Okay, so you can measure trajectories, skid marks, et cetera. Okay, that's it right there. I don't want to take up much more time. I've only been allowed 5 minutes, but I do want to point out, if you're interested in further seeing this technology, we have an ad in your ACCP magazine this month on page 35. My contact information is there. Here's the ad. So please contact me. I'd be happy to pass by and bring my scanner to a mock crime scene, mock homicide scene, or accident reconstruction and further discuss this. So thank you. Thank you, members.
You had an aerial sort of bird's eye view. How is that okay?
So with the software, you can position anywhere you want. You're not stuck or focused where the scanners were. So you can see any perspective, any point of view.
But your images had the rear of the houses and that sort of stuff. I mean, how do your scanner see all that?
It only sees the front. It's line of sight, so it only sees the front. So if I were to go back in the software, I could look from the inside, outside, but I'd be looking at what was in the paneling of the outside.
So to get this system, you got an idea as to what the cost is of the basic system.
So there's